I see my eyes move. Sorry if you can hear my roommate. What was I gonna talk about? Oh, what I think is the best EDC flashlight during as the day goes by and night comes upon us. And I was gonna show you one I keep by my bed. I'm filming this on my computer. That glare's still going on. So hopefully this flashlight in here is what I think. Well, during the day, things glitching. Oh man. What I think is the best daytime flashlight is just like if you're going under the table or if you're going into a closet or something. This is just heading down the wrong path. Oh god, under the table, in the closet, oh god. There's my air freshener. It goes off at random times. It hasn't gone off all day until now. But my daytime flashlight is this. You probably won't be able to pick it up. I know the camera's shitty. But it's Milwaukee. It runs off 2 AA's. And it's got, probably can't pick it up. I don't know how I just did that. Probably can't pick it up, but like some flashlights have the white light. It has like a yellowish brown colored light to it. So, and it's actually, to me, I think it's a lot brighter than the white one. And you can also do this. I could probably do it faster, but I can't for some reason. But that's my daytime flashlight. Milwaukee. All I know is Milwaukee flashlight. Had it for a year, and it's still kicking with the same batteries in it. Have not changed them. That's awesome. Probably shows that I don't use it very much, but have it on me just in case. No. I'm gonna look it up. Hang on. This ain't silver gun. Okay. It's called the Milwaukee TrueView High Definition Output. Wow. Crappy internet. That's corrosion resistant aluminum pen light with clip, protective rubber bezel, waterproof and dustproof. Uh, 100 lumens. Yeah, 100. It's high definition lumens. Okay. Runs you about $23 on Amazon. Or they got the other ones here Inventory. That's the cheapest one, just to let you know. The big one, well, not really big, but rechargeable and everything, that runs you about $63. And it's not waterproof or dustproof. What? Dustproof, waterproof, you name it, $23. Sorry, you're itching my leg. Of course, you got your phone for a flashlight, but you know that drains battery. Yeah, like that. What were we talking about? Oh yeah, flashlights. That's my daytime flashlight, Milwaukee. I don't run this flashlight very much. Reasons because I got a clearance section, and usually if you tap it on accident, it just completely turns off and doesn't want to turn back on. But it's the Milwaukee AA battery. Oh yeah, it turns on now. But you can tell sometimes, see. Yeah. Not the greatest. But bought it anyways because it's Maglite. Maglite's my favorite. This one I keep just in a drawer in my bathroom. Never know when it's gonna go dark when you poop. And that you already probably know all of the specs and everything about that. That Milwaukee's kind of new, about 2 years new. I don't know. Another one I keep next to my bed, and I got this at a flea market for $3. It needed to work, but I got it to work. Even upgraded it to LED. But it's the Maglite. That's the big boy. I upgraded to LED. One thing I need to fix on it is the glass thing because it's kind of cracked and scratched. That's next to my bed because it's pretty much any burglary, anybody comes breaks in the house. Sorry, I was listening. So I keep. Sorry, it's so heavy. This Maglite next to my bed all the time. I use it instead of turning on lights around the house. I don't know why it was just like that. So if I'm going out to get a snack from the fridge, I got this. I need to turn on lights. But sorry. My roommate talks to himself. What I think, and this is always in my bag, a lot of police officers use it, even though some use mag lights. In my area, most of the police officers have mag lights, but most of them have this one flashlight. It's called the Lux Pro LP1100. Super bright. Thing so this one I hate on screen. I can't. That's a weird smell. It smells like a burning smell. They come with their own batteries, but sorry, not a nice smell. Just saying this flashlight, but I got recommended this flashlight by a security guard because before I got my one job, I wanted to be a security guard. Because one thing my dad taught me is how to check your perimeter and how to check on stuff, like security stuff. So I wanted to get a job as a security guard. They recommend this flashlight. It's the best flashlight to get. I can pull this up. Give me a second. The Lux Pro, the one I have, is water resistant. It's got tactical grip, a 10-hour run time, 360 lumens. They do have multiple ones. See if I can get. No, Lux Pro has a lot of flashlights. I've seen a lot of reviews that Lux Pro is like the best flashlights to get. And I got a bigger version of this. It's called LP. What's this one? It's called LP1100BL. It's heavy duty. It's water resistant. That's gonna cost you $16. The one I have is about $25. You have one for $35. That one, you get more, 20 to run out of time. AA power light, it runs on double A's. Nine AA alkaline batteries included. Oh my god. This is always on me. Oh, it's not in my bag, it's in my holster, but I don't know where my holster is. Oh. One second. Sorry about that. I didn't come prepared. Oh, no. But sorry, this is the holster. It's Olight holster. Got that at flea market too. Like 50 cents. Wow, 15-minute video. Hopefully this downloads to my computer. I'm gonna throw this in. The best household flashlight could ever buy. Sorry, I had to go. Could ever. That runs you about $8. Kind of expensive, but if you want a really good flashlight, just to keep around your house in case of emergency, I 100%, and I'll take this to the grave, I 100% believe this is the best household flashlight. It's Bushnell, rechargeable. That's bright. Makes my ceiling look like it's not even on. It's high, low, and strobe. Rechargeable, $80. Really good. I also have a Bushnell lantern I keep in my basement in case of storm. Also, I got this lantern. I don't know if I showed it. It's really hard to see. It looks like a small, looks like a kerosene lamp. I think it just died. You know what I am? If you don't know what batteries I like to use, it's the Duracell Quad. Best batteries you can buy, yeah. My opinion. I know you gotta pray. Get rechargeable, man. That's what $10 gets you. Alright, so long enough video. I don't even know if I can post this video.